So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my makeup to go to Zumba. It's going to actually be almost 1 year since I've been a Zumba instructor and I'm so excited. Typically, I'm not the kind of person that wears makeup to the gym because I feel like when I work out, it's the time for my skin to just breathe. However, I've been enjoying a little makeup here and there. When I teach my Zumba classes, I just feel a little bit more spirited, more colorful. I don't put too much color on my face, but I do enjoy wearing a little blush, a little color lip gloss. So if you want to see how I get my makeup to go from this to this, well, keep on watching. For the most part, my makeup is an all powder look almost. So what I like to do, I like to go in with my Mercier in the shade Medium Deep, and I take a damp beauty blender and I go in my T-zone. So I go under my eye. So that's one side. I still want it to look pretty natural. The other eye underneath. My skin is also pretty moisturized, so it's not like my skin wasn't prepped. I prepped my skin. I just love how smoothing the Laura is. I've been using this powder for 7 years now. Oh my god. Yeah, I got the Medium Deep. I've never bought the translucent. I got the translucent as part of the birthday gift. I think it was 2 years ago. But I love the Medium Deep ever since it came out. Basically, anywhere I would set concealer, I put the powder. I'm also going to go over my eyelid just to even that out. Yep. I'm going to take my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the shade Dark Deep. So I'm gonna go in with my powder brush, and anywhere I did not put the Laura, I'm just going to go over that. Okay, so that's the face. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Going in with my MAC Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gel. This is in the shade Stud. So brushing those up. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Goof Proof Powder. And I'm just going to shape it up. Next side. Push this down a little bit. Okay. I'll work with it. So for blush, I like to go in with the Sephora colorful blush in the shade Hey Jealousy. I think this is my favorite blush. I know I got the Patrick Tall blush, but I still love this Sephora blush. I have the Rare Beauty, but I don't know. I just really like this shade on my skin. Like, I really wanted that bright pink look, but it's not that bright, but it's the perfect amount of punch to give your cheeks a kiss. I like it. So I'm just gonna dust that all over my cheek and diffuse that. I like to smile when I put on my blush because when you're like this, where's the cheek? Where's the cheek? But if I smile, boop, boop, that's where it is. Maybe I'll dust some on my lids. It's giving like 80s. Like, you know those workouts, outfits and makeups? What a time. What a time. I mean, I wasn't born yet, but what a time. Okay, let me do some bronzer. So I like to put lip liner just at the corners because here you see that my lip kind of pokes out. So I just want to emphasize the poke basically. Somewhere. The bottom lip, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Riri. So I'm gonna place that on the bottom lip. And then I just have a Ruby Kiss lip oil. And I think for the hair, I'll catch it up. Oh yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, I found these hoops that will match the yellow hair. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Oh, I love it. Ah! This is adorable. But thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little makeup video for getting ready with me to go to Zumba class. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a like if you liked my video, and remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Bye!